Drivers are left stranded after a record-breaking blizzard dumped 3 feet of snow on the US northeast. At least 5 people were killed and hundreds of thousands left without power as the massive storm swept in on Saturday. Here on New York's Long Island, around 200 people were stuck as the blizzard caught drivers by surprise. Franklin Simpson was stranded in his truck overnight.
I stuck there 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm coming off the ramp to go do my delivery, right? The police came by, they looked at me and they just left, you know, and until now I'm there.
Along with the snow, hurricane-force winds also battered the northeast. In Massachusetts, oceanfront properties were damaged by the severe weather. Residents in Hull were urged to evacuate as waves broke sea walls, causing roads to flood. The storm is slowly moving eastwards, but some coastal weather warnings are still in place.